After a few millimetres of rain overnight today, it was absolutely beautiful, mostly blue skies and sunshine. It was very mild for this time of year, reaching 18 degrees in Campbelltown, 19 in Terry Hills and 20 degrees across much of our west, as well as the city and Cronulla. Now, we've seen some rain and storms around the northeast of the state. The heaviest falls today in the northern rivers and the northern tablelands, 42 millimetres falling in Byron, 18 in Glen Innes and 16 millimetres in Lismore. Inland areas ranging from a top of just 9 in Cooma to 19 in Narrabri, while along the coast, Grafton, Wollongong and Batemans Bay all saw a top of 17 degrees. Tomorrow, a cold front will bring showers, storms and blustery winds across WA and parts of South Australia, while a high will bring a very chilly morning and a dry day to much of Tasmania, Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. Brisbane will enjoy blue skies tomorrow with a top of 21 degrees. A very cold start in Canberra before blue skies, heading for 13. Partly cloudy in Melbourne, Hobart and Adelaide, with showers starting to ease in Perth with a top of 15 degrees. New South Wales will stay dry tomorrow with sunny skies in the north and right along the coast, heading for tops of 17 to 19 degrees along coastal areas, while inland areas will mostly reach the low to mid-teens. And there is a strong wind warning for the Coffs, Macquarie, Illawarra and Eden coasts. After areas of frost in the west, Sydney can look forward to another beautiful day tomorrow. Blue skies and sunshine with light to moderate southwesterly winds. It will feel like winter again though, with very cold temperatures tonight. Richmond dipping to -1, 2 in Penrith and 3 in Blacktown, before a cool day tomorrow, heading for just 16 degrees in Terry Hills and Cronulla, 17 in the city, Blacktown and Campbelltown and 18 degrees in Penrith and in Liverpool. Looking ahead, Friday will be sunny, 18 degrees. We are expecting morning showers on Saturday. That will bring anything from 3 to 9 millimetres of rain, finding up on Sunday and Monday before a few showers move back in, and we'll see those nights range from lows of 11 down to 6 degrees. Taking a look at our west now, a beautiful day on Friday, sunny and 18 degrees. A few showers on Saturday, most likely in the morning with a top of 17. Partly cloudy on Sunday, warming up slightly on Monday before a few light showers and some chilly nights, Mark.
Cranking up that heater. Amber, thank you.
Hello again. We woke to clear skies and a definite winter chill in the air. The city dropped to 7 degrees and then cloud built throughout the day. We peaked at 13, but the apparent temperature was around 8 degrees for most of the day. Many places started today on lows of 7. Ferny Creek dropped to 3, then only climbed another 5 degrees to peak at 8 and recorded nearly 2 millimetres in passing showers. Maximums of 11, 12 and 13 elsewhere. Winds gusted at 65 kilometres an hour out on the bay. 2 millimetres fell at Port Fairy. The Otways had between 5 and 10. Maximums of 15 at opposite ends of the state at Mildura and also Orbost. Mallacoota was the warmest on 16. We can see the showers that lingered behind the system, and this high quickly moves in, bringing a settled day. And we can see the next front and low that's heading our way on Friday. It'll bring good falls to parched areas of South Australia and push into the northwest of Victoria. The Mallee can expect 10 to 20 millimetres by the end of Friday. And there's more rain coming across the weekend. The ranges are forecast to receive 20 to 40 millimetres. Tomorrow, a dry day for Adelaide and 17, but South Australia can expect those falls from Friday, so that's great news. Sunshine for Sydney and 17, Canberra down to -4 and then a sunny 13. We will feel the chill also, with the entire state under a frost warning as areas through the north fall below 0. A cool and partly cloudy day with light northwesterly winds, maximums of 14 and 15 along the coast with light showers possible, 16 and 17 through the Mallee. For the Melbourne area, overnight minimums will be cooler further away from the bay, 3 at Avalon, down to 1 at Coldstream. Morning fog is possible through northern suburbs and the far east, and a mostly sunny day with temperatures mainly in the mid-teens. Geelong down to 5, then a mostly sunny top of 16. A similar story in the city, light winds, lots of sunshine and a low of 5, top of 16. A cold start on Friday, 6 degrees, dry during the day with showers moving in at night, 14 13 degrees. Saturday is the wettest day, up to 10 millimetres and a windy top of 14. More showers on Sunday and 15, up to 4 millimetres next Monday and 15. Light showers on Tuesday and Wednesday, 14 both days. Tonight down to 5, a mostly sunny morning but cloud expected to build through the day, and under light northwesterly winds a top of 16. Tomorrow is the most settled day of the whole week.
Pretty low bar. Looks like a rough week ahead. Thank you, Lavinia.
Absolutely, Melissa. Great news with this rain set to clear over the next few hours. What it will do is allow temperatures to drop rapidly this evening, and we're in for a cool start to your Thursday, but there should be plenty of sunshine. It will be one of the better days of the week because there's some more rain in your 7-day outlook. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's have a look at today's rain. Firstly, with the radar starting it from around midday. Just a quick refresh. The heaviest falls 20 to 40 millimetres. A couple of isolated falls up around that 50 millimetre mark as it spread right across southeast Queensland. The tail end of that now just about to hit around Beerwah, Glasshouse Mountains and Landsborough. Now on to temperatures across the southeast. Mostly double-digit minimums. The only suburb really, well, Warwick dropped to 8 degrees this morning. Daytime highs, couple above average. Top 25, Gatton, 24 for the Goldie, Ipswich, Bow Desert, 23 in Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast, 19 in Toowoomba today. The weather map, cold, gusty southerly winds in the wake of a cold front, delivering showers and storms across WA and into western South Australia. A chilly morning for Tassie, Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland under a high-pressure system. For the capital, showers easing in Perth, partly cloudy and cool in Adelaide and Hobart, sunny but cool for Melbourne, sunny and 17 Sydney, early frost in Canberra, -4, Darwin sunny and 31. Queensland tomorrow an evening shower possible around Townsville and Mackay, likely in Cairns, sunny and mid-20s for Rocky and Gladstone, sunny and low to mid-20s in Bundaberg, Maryborough and Gympie. Sunny and dry inland, we're looking at mid to high 20s for Longreach and Mount Isa, some early frost in Roma and a high of just 19 degrees. Southeast Queensland expects some early fog in the south, but then a sunny day. Overnight temperatures as low as 5 degrees, 11 degrees on the coast even. Daytime temperatures mid-teens to low 20s. A cooler day. Moreton Bay, west-southwest, 10 to 15 knots, turning south-southeast, 5 to 10 knots. Brizzy, a sunny day, light winds, a low of 10 and a top 21 degrees. The outlook Friday 8 to 21, Saturday cloudy with rain developing, Sunday morning shower clearing to a sunny day, Monday and Tuesday morning chilly but sunny days. Ipswich, early frost patches Friday, cloudy Saturday with rain developing, early showers Sunday clearing to some sunshine for Monday, Tuesday. Goldie Friday 8 to 21, cloudy Saturday with rain developing, morning showers Sunday clearing, sunny Monday, Tuesday. Sunshine Coast Friday 8 to 21, Saturday cloudy with late rain, morning showers Sunday, clearing to a sunny afternoon and sunshine for Monday, Tuesday, but some cold mornings and cool days into early next week, Melissa.
We're ready for it. Thanks, Gary.
Weather now, and make the most of the outdoors tomorrow because the heavens are set to open again. Today, though, the overnight showers were quick to clear, providing a sunny afternoon with a high just shy of 15 on school pickup, following this morning's low of 6.8. And right down the city, it's 11 degrees. And across the suburbs, a few more millimetres of rain added to the tank overnight, a top of just 9 degrees at Mount Lofty, 15 east and north of the city. Across the state, it reached 16 degrees at Wyler and Port Lincoln, 17 at Roxby and Port Augusta. Mercury reached 15 at Kadina and 13 at both Nurriutpa and Naracoorte. To the satellite, and high pressure will give us a chance to get outdoors tomorrow before an ominous-looking low will bring about a fresh and gusty southwesterly change on Friday, delivering 10 to 40 millimetres of rain to most areas by mid-weekend, rising to 80 about the higher peaks of the ranges. And if we look interstate, Perth gives us an idea of what we might have in store with showers and a possible storm there tomorrow. Partly cloudy in Melbourne and Hobart, windy in the Alice and sunny and warm in the top end. Sounds too good. Temperatures across our state tomorrow. A high of 18 degrees for the top of the Spencer Gulf, just 3, then 14 at Clare. And further south, the top of 16 on KI and the Fleurieu, 4, then 15 in the southeast, and 0 overnight at Renmark. And that's prompted a frost warning for the Riverland and Murrayland districts. And ahead of Friday's front, a strong wind warning current tomorrow for the Central Coast, Spencer Gulf and all western coasts. Back on local waters though, north to northeasterly winds to 20 knots. A little stronger south of Port Noarlunga later in the day, with seas around 1 metre. So there is still the chance of a shower about the hills and southern suburbs overnight tonight before a partly cloudy day tomorrow. It'll drop to 5 overnight north of the city before a top of 17. Glenelg can expect a top of 17 degrees also. And much of the same for the city. 7, then 17 tomorrow. Light winds early morning. They'll strengthen from the north later. And that dry window of opportunity exists tomorrow before that big blue band of rain that caught our attention just a minute ago sweeps across the state on Friday, unloading about 15 to 30 millimetres of rain. Now double that for good measure about the hills, with showers sustained on Saturday and gradually decreasing from Sunday through to Tuesday, tops of 14 degrees across the weekend.